Hello everyone. So welcome to the pointer concept, like basic, or you can say that introduction actually. So first of all, introduction to pointers. Okay. So pointers are the powerful features of C and C++ programming that differentiate it from other popular programming languages like Java and Python. Pointers are used in C program to access the memory and manipulate the address. Okay, so a pointer, now here we are coming to the definition part actually. A pointer is a variable, okay, whose value is the address of another variable. That means, for example, if I say a is equal to 5, so a is normal variable and its value is 5. But if I say I have a pointer variable and name of that pointer variable is p, then pointer variable p will be equal to address of another variable, and that address is the value of that pointer variable. Okay, so that is the direct address of memory location, like any variable or a constant. So you must declare a pointer before using it to store any variable address. So here is the pointer syntax. In C programming language, there is a special variable that stores just the address of another variable, and it is called as pointer variable. So declaration of pointer, we have to write data type. Then next to that, if you can write asterisk sign, and then pointer variable name, it can be any name, and then semicolon. So here is the example. Integer, asterisk, and what? P and semicolon. So above statement defines P as a variable of data type integer. Pointer declaration, so integer, asterisk, P, semicolon. Here we have declared a pointer P of integer type. You can also declare pointers in this way also. That means in this way. Integer space and asterisk P1, it is valid. Integer space asterisk space P2, it is also valid. Let's take another example of declaring pointers. Integer asterisk P1 comma P2 and semicolon. What it means actually, we have declared pointer P1, that is pointer variable, but P2 is the normal variable. It is not pointer variable. So coming to the next point, what is the meaning of the reference operator and dereference operator? And what is the important point over here is reference operator, it means ampersand sign, and dereference operator, it means asterisk sign. Okay. So as discussed, ampersand is called as reference operator and it gives you address of a variable. Ampersand will give you address of variable. Likewise, there is another operator that gets you the value from the address, and it is called as dereference operator, and the symbol or the sign is asterisk. This one. Note, the asterisk sign when declaring a pointer, that time it is not dereference operator. It is just a similar notation that creates a pointer. Memory address. Before we get into the concept of pointer, let's first get familiar with the address in C programming language. If you have a variable var, that is the name of the variable in your program, then ampersand var will give you its address in the memory, where ampersand is commonly called as reference operator. You must have seen this notation while using scanf function. It was used in the function to store the user inputted value in the address of var. See here. So we have one example to demonstrate the use of reference operator in C programming. Hash include stdio.h void main function, open the bracket. This is right now normal variable var because there is no asterisk sign. It is a normal variable. So var equal to what? 5. Then we have a printf and we are printing the value of var. It will print 5. Okay. But the next red color statement is very important. Printf, and it is not only var, print ampersand var. It means we are not interested in printing the value of that variable. We are interested in printing the address of that variable. Assigning addresses to the pointers. So integer ampersand pc, this is your pointer variable, and c is the normal variable. So c is equal to 5 semicolon. Now pointer variable pc, that is the name given, pc, equal to ampersand c and semicolon. It indicates that your pointer variable is right now pointing to address of which variable? Variable c. So here phi is assigned to variable c, and the address of c is assigned to which pc pointer. Get the value of the things pointed by pointers. To get the value of the things pointed by the pointers, we use the asterisk operator. So here you all can see integer asterisk pc comma c, then c equal to 5. Your pointer is pointing to address of which variable? C. So if I write printf, and if I write, right now it is asterisk pc, but if I write only pc, what you think? What will be the output? If it is without asterisk sign, it will be obviously address of C variable. But before PC we are writing asterisk sign, it indicates that pointer is pointing to address of C. So at C, whatever is the value that we are going to print over here. See here. Here the address of C is assigned to PC pointer, and to get the value stored in that particular address, we used asterisk, and then we used pointer variable name, which is PC. Changing the value pointed by pointers. So integer asterisk PC, pointer variable, C normal variable. C equal to 5, just a normal variable, we are assigning value. Pointer variable, we have assigned address of C. Now we have changed value of C, that is from 5 to 1. Now if I write printf and if I write C, it will print 1 because of the latest value of C. Now after this, if I write printf and if I write asterisk, now we know, okay, that it will extract the value from that particular address. So pointer is pointing to address of which variable? C. So at that address, earlier it was value 5. Now the value is what? 1. So here also it will print output as what? 1. Another example, integer asterisk pc comma c, and then c equal to 5. PC is pointing to address of C. So if PC is pointing to address of C, any modification with this asterisk PC equal to 1, it indicates that C is not 5 now. C is now equal to what? 1. Why 1? Because our pointer is pointing to address of C, and because of the asterisk sign, we have changed the value of that address from 5 to 1. So when you will print, it will give you output for this also 1, and for this statement also it will give you 1. So we have assigned the address of C to the PC pointer, then we change asterisk PC to 1 using asterisk PC equal to 1. Since PC and address of C are same, C will be also equal to what? 1. Another example, C and D both are normal variable. So C equal to 5 and D equal to minus 15. Right now your pointer is pointing to address of C. So asterisk PC will give you 5. But then next line pointer is pointing to address of D. So asterisk PC, now it will give you -50 because we have changed pointer, pointing arrow. Earlier it was pointing to address of C. Now it is pointing to address of what? D. So we have a very big example over here with the explanation also. Integer, this is the pointer variable, normal variable C equal to 22. This will print obviously address of that variable, and this will print value of that variable. So these two lines are very simple for right now. Now our pointer variable is pointing to address of what? C. So PC will print address and asterisk PC will print the value of that address, which is 22. Now we have changed C from 22 to 11. So now if I print PC, it will again print only the address, but asterisk PC will print 11, not 22. Then asterisk PC equal to 2 in short or indirectly, we are modifying the value of C from 11 to 2. So if I write address of C, it will give you only the address. But if I write C, it will not give you 22. It will not give you 11. It will give you what? 22. So here is the output of this 22. This is nothing but the address, memory address actually. You can get any value for memory address. Okay. So this is nothing but the explanation part, like we are done with the program and meaning of the each and every line, that how actually it is working actually. Okay, how here C is equal to 22, then PC is pointing to which variable, then now C is 11, then because of asterisk PC, C becomes what? 2. And these are some of the common mistakes when working with the pointer. Suppose you want pointer PC to point to the address of C, then integer C, that is normal variable, and asterisk PC, that is the pointer variable. So PC equal to C, PC is address but C is not. That's why you will get the error message. Asterisk PC equal to %C. %C is address but asterisk PC is not. That's why you will get the error. PC equal to %C, both %C and PC are what? Address. That's why you will not get any error. Asterisk PC equal to C, that means both C and PC, asterisk PC are values. That's why you will not get any error. So I think that is all about the introduction, and with example you can say the meaning of the pointer. Okay, I hope you all have understood properly about all these things. Thank you everyone.